Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chantal, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how I make my Aloe Vera deep conditioner. This deep conditioner is super moisturizing and it's life-changing. Look at this. I just washed my hair today and the only thing I put in is some leave-in. So this is what it looks like. Let's not talk too much. Let me show you how I make this deep conditioner. So the things you will need to make this deep conditioner is some aloe vera. I used 3 medium-sized leaves. Also some water, about a cup of water. And I also used oatmeal. So that's about it. That's what you'll need. Next, you will have to cut the leaves in little pieces, as you see here. Also add the oatmeal. I put about 3 tablespoons, but I needed 1 more, so about 4 tablespoons. And I also added the cup of water. So this is what it looks like after adding the water. So this is what it looks like after cooking it. You're gonna cook it on the stove for about 10 to 15 minutes on low heat, not high heat. Low to medium heat, and this is what it looks like. Next, you're gonna have to strain this. I recommend straining this while it's still hot, because otherwise the oatmeal will soak up all the moisture and all the water and there will be nothing left to strain. So this is what the finished product looks like. It's a very thick custard-like consistency. This is a quick preview of what my hair looks like after applying this deep conditioner. If you would like to see the full video, I will link it down below and put it at the end of this video. So that's it, you guys. That's everything I do when making this deep conditioner. It's super easy, super fast, and super beneficial for your hair. It's really healthy. It's all natural products, because the more natural the product, the better for your hair, the better for your skin, just everything. All natural is always the way to go. I can't promise you I'm always using all natural products, but it's definitely something that I'm aiming for. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're gonna try this at home. Thumbs up, subscribe. Let me know down below how it worked out for you. I would love to know. So I'm gonna see you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.